Hey, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be working with Aquarius entering February. Hopefully, Aquarius, you can continue to lead us to the right path of 2019. Hopefully, everyone's year's been going pretty great so far. All right, let's splash right on in. Alright, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed Aquarius. She's pretty cool. I was gonna make Aquarius a man, just because the original Aquarius, I believe, is a bro. I was doing a little research on Aquarius and I found out that Aquarius, we could never be together. Scorpios and Aquarius don't really, there's like zero trust. I think it's mainly, I would have to blame, if I could blame either or, it would definitely be my kind, the the Scorpios. We have trust issues. It's all good though. Hopefully, Aquarius, you can lead us to a happier year. So far, the year has been it's been all right, but we've been experiencing some issues here and there. Capricorn, I'm not sure if you did us good or if you maybe it's good in the long run, you know. My company that I work at, my day job, they announced that they'll be closing our Jacksonville office and our Vegas office as well, and they're only going to be keeping the California office. So luckily we have like 3 months to to find something else if needed. And of course, being Poe, I definitely gonna need to. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you have any recommendations for any future videos, let me know. Comments below. Also, what you guys thought. Anything is appreciated, whether it's good or bad. Always looking for feedback. Go ahead and smash like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that fun stuff. Until next time, peace out.